Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Last week I put out a video on the DIY Kit Mini from AlgoLaser. I'll have a link below down in the description if you want to check out that video. This week I'll be unboxing and assembling the slightly larger DIY kit and talking about the similarities and differences of this machine and the Mini. The DIY kit, like the DIY Kit Mini, came well packaged in Kaizen foam and included a 10-watt laser module. Whenever I'm doing an unboxing review, I always save the box and packing material in case I want to do a giveaway at a later date. But if you're planning on throwing away the box and foam, make sure you check it very carefully, as I had to go back twice to the foam and dig out some things that I had missed the first time. As you can see from the parts I'm unboxing, this machine is very similar to the Mini. The biggest difference is the Mini has a working area of 300 millimeters by 315 millimeters, and the DIY kit has a working area of 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters. The kit includes a piece of birch, plywood, and metal business cards like the Mini, but also includes a piece of black acrylic. The assembly of the DIY kit is also very similar to the Mini. The frame extrusions are labeled and the manual is very well written with lots of illustrations, but I did have a small issue when I went to slide the X-axis onto the Y-axis frame. The adjustable plate for mounting the laser module was shipped in the lower position, making it impossible to slide the Y-axis on, so I had to remove the plate, and as you can see here, I put it in the upper position. They show in the manual after sliding on the X-axis how to lower the plate to adjust the height, so I'm thinking it was supposed to have been shipped with it in the upper position. It's no big deal, as it only took me a couple of minutes to change it. I will be leaving it in the upper position, as I will be using the honeycomb bed that AlgoLaser also sent to me. After sliding on the X-axis, I flipped the machine over to install the 4 L brackets in each corner. There are 4 holes in each bracket, but you only use the 2 outermost holes to attach it to the frame. The other 2 holes are for the feet. I screwed the feet into the hole along the side rail and flipped the machine back over. Next, it was time to install the end plates that are used for tensioning the belts. I put a plate on each corner with 1 screw and then went to the front of the machine to put the belt through the slot in the plate and pulled out about 1 inch of the belt, and then secured that in with a screw and a washer. Then I ran the belt under the V-groove wheels and over the sprocket and through the slot on the back of the machine, pulling the belt to make it snug before adding the screw and washer. Next, I added the limit switch mounting plate and the limit switch. Make sure you have the plate and the limit switch going in the right direction as shown in the manual. The next step is to slide the laser module into the mounting plate and tighten with the 2 enclosed thumb screws. I installed the controller to the front of the machine and made all the cable connections. They are clearly labeled and make this a no-brainer. You can see a section of black tubing connected to the air assist of the laser module. This tubing is included in the DIY kit. However, I want to make it clear that the air assist pump is not included and must be purchased separately. There's a note in the manual that states, and I quote, "Please note the 10-watt laser module is sold without an air pump, and it is imperative to utilize it with an air pump for safe and optimal performance," end quote. I don't know why they just don't add a few bucks and include it with the kit. With this laser ready to go now, I ran a few test cards to get an idea of the settings I'm going to use for some projects I want to run. The first project that I ran was this mason jar with some handy kitchen conversions on it. Once I got the look I wanted, I ran several of these. I'm going to shoot some clear lacquer on them and add a magnet to the back and give them to some friends of mine. They make a great refrigerator magnet. The next file that I ran was a free file I got online for this hourglass calendar. I'll leave a link below in the description if you'd like to get this file. The hourglass looked a little plain to me, so I added some shading to represent the sand. As you can see, I don't have much sand left. The price for the DIY kit laser from AlgoLaser at the time of recording this video is $279 when purchased with a 10-watt laser module, which is only $30 more than the Mini, and that makes it a great value. This laser has a few more features than the smaller DIY kit Mini, including a Wi-Fi antenna so you can run this machine with the AlgoLaser app, a key switch for safety so you can lock it out if you have any young crumb snatchers in your household, and an emergency stop. I want to thank the folks at AlgoLaser for sending me the DIY kit Mini, the DIY kit, and all of the great accessories to try out and review. If you'd like to check out these great deals from AlgoLaser, I'll leave some links and discount codes that will get you even more savings. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and consider becoming a subscriber. And until the next one, thank you very much for watching.